Hey there and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to order an Uber Eats bag online step-by-step guide. So first of all you have to open the Google and type Uber Eats shop, SHOP shop. Then you have to visit their official website like this one. Go to their official website. Then once you're on the shop page, scroll down and click on the bag. So first of all you have to log in or sign up. As you can see, I'm having some trouble here. Let me see. Okay, don't worry, I'm just gonna explain it to you. Like, you have to go there, and from here you can tap onto order now and buy your needed products. Wait, yeah, you can tap onto order now, and then from there you can order. Browse the available delivery bags, click on a bag to view its detail, size and features, select your quantity and make sure it suits your delivery needs. So when you are ready, click on buy with shop. If available, choose your payment method and proceed to checkout. And shipping is currently not available to Canada, so that keep in mind that before ordering. That's it, you have successfully ordered your Uber Eats bag online. If this video helped, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more delivery tips. See you in the next one. Goodbye.